I would love all my children to be extremely loving and collective, not to denounce anybody for no rhyme and reason. And if you have to denounce, you should tell me. I know what is what. Without asking me, you should not measure up somebody and say, I have measured somebody. With what? What is your yardstick? You yourself, you are caught up in the web of ego. You cannot condemn anyone without telling me. You have to tell me. Don't worry that this will disturb me or anything, but you should ask me. I know about everyone. Maybe I have not met that person, but I can feel the vibration. You can write to me. Many people just telephone. That's not the way. You must write to me, because I read each and every letter. But all nonsensical letters you shouldn't write also to waste my time. Like my father's, mother's, this thing is sick or is dead and her bhoot is moving about. All sorts of funny letters come to me. What can I do for such people? That's not important. Or I need money, I have no money, I am depending on you for money, so please send me money. You can ask on my photograph. If you are a good Sahajogi, you don't have to worry about money also. Or I have no child, mother, what to do, I want to have child. Those who have child, ask them what do they have to say. So many have got children after coming to Sahaja Yoga, but you must deserve it. So many miracles have taken place. So many people have been cured, no doubt. But that doesn't mean you have done it. Don't get into the trap of ego. That's most dangerous. If you destroy Sahaja Yoga, you are destroying yourself. So, today you all have to promise in your heart. Put your hands to your heart and to say, Mother, will love, will spread your divine love, encompass the whole world, give realization to all the people, will not shout, will not be angry, will not do all kinds of rituals, but just surrender. Surrender our ego to you. Surrender it. Surrender your ego. All your problems can be solved, because as long as there is ego, this divine power doesn't take over. You may do anything. You are not connected. Your connection is missing. Christ is missing. He is no more there. To establish Him, first of all, you must show how you love. But that doesn't mean that you love your wife, love your children and love your house.